Start by adding an adjustment layer. Now add S-Blurmo curves. Change both wrap settings to reflect, then follow my keyframe values. Next, easy ease the keyframes by pressing F9 and match the graph, like this. Now add warp. Set it to fisheye. And change the bend to 0. Add a keyframe at the start, then go to the end and change the value to -100. Again, easy ease them and copy the graph. Now move to the second clip, add S_Blurmo curves again. And follow the same settings. We're making the graph the opposite. Once that's done, add optics compensation. Enable reverse lens distortion and change the FOV to 80. Now go to end of your clip. Make it 0. Now ease in the keyframe and copy my graph. To enhance everything, add brightness and contrast and adjust it to give your edit that final polish. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.